Welcome to the exciting world of affiliate marketing. If you want to earn money online, you've come to the right place. This video will guide you through your first steps into affiliate marketing, making it easy. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's a way to earn a commission by promoting someone else's products or services. When you share a unique affiliate link and someone purchases through that link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. Step 1. Find your niche. Choose a niche that you're passionate about. It could be anything from fitness and technology to travel or cooking. The more excited you are about your niche, the easier it will be to promote products. Step 2. Join affiliate programs. Next, sign up for affiliate programs that align with your niche. Popular options include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. These platforms will provide you with unique affiliate links to share. Step 3. Build your platform. Now it's time to create your online presence. You can start a blog, an Instagram account, a YouTube channel, or any platform where you can connect with your audience. Make sure it reflects your personality and niche. Step 4. Create quality content. Content is king. Share valuable information, reviews, and insights about the products you're promoting. The more genuine and helpful your content is, the more trust you'll build with your audience. Step 5. Track your results. Once you start sharing your affiliate links, keep an eye on your performance. Use tracking tools to see what's working and what's not. This data will help you refine your strategy and maximize your earnings. Step 6. Stay consistent. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and consistency. Keep creating valuable content, engage with your audience, and don't give up. And there you have it, your first steps into affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and start your journey today. Remember, the possibilities are endless in the world of affiliate marketing. Happy promoting!